This is an in-depth look at SparkleTuff anti-slip floor coating, which is a clear, glossy, gritty coating that can be painted onto any floor by anyone with a paint roller. This is on a piece of glass, and you can see right through it. Here we have a marble tile, and here's the tile without SparkleTuff, and then you can see where the SparkleTuff has been painted onto the tile. From certain angles, you can't notice that anything has happened to the tile, but when you get a reflection of light and get more close to it, you can see there's a glossy, gritty coating that has been applied to the tile. But from certain angles, you can't notice anything. This stuff has been applied to swimming pool decks and community showers in health clubs, and there's no complaints of it being rough on feet, but it definitely stops slip and fall accidents where you've got a slippery floor, you paint this stuff on, and it stops your problems. It looks clear and glossy and beautiful. On darker floors, you can kind of see the grit is a little bit white. And when you look at it close up, you can see it's kind of a white grit as opposed to the coating, which is incredibly clear. But you can see here in wet and dry conditions, it's incredibly tough, and it lasts a long time, and it stops your slip and fall accidents. Here is a bathtub surface, which was incredibly slippery to begin with, and here you can see we've painted the SparkleTuff on there. Creates a gritty coating and stops your slip and fall accidents from happening, and it looks great too. SparkleTuff anti-slip floor coating can be applied by anyone.